Meet the AKASO Brave 7LA, a 4K 30fps 20 megapixels action camera designed to elevate your vlogging and adventure experiences with its all-weather capabilities and IPX7 water-resistant design, perfect for capturing stunning footage even in rain, snow, or underwater up to 131 feet with the included waterproof housing. This camera features a convenient dual display system, allowing you to effortlessly switch between the back and vivid front screens for perfect selfies and easy navigation with its 2-inch back touchscreen. Capture hyper-quality 4K video and 20 megapixels photos with enhanced electronic image stabilization 2.0, ensuring smooth, gimbal-like footage even during fast-paced action. With a full set of professional functions like digital zoom, time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion modes, your creative possibilities are endless. The Brave 7LA comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, a remote control, and a variety of mounting kits, making it a versatile companion for any adventure. Whether you're diving into the ocean or skiing down a mountain, this action camera is your ultimate partner for capturing every thrilling moment. So, gear up and let the AKASO Brave 7LA take your storytelling to new heights.